Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel पप्पू करियर गाइड, अ कंप्लीट गाइड फॉर ऑल योर करियर नीड। तो फ्रेंड आज वीडियो में देखने वाले TCS दिसंबर हायरिंग में जो फ्रेंड आपका फेज 1 फेज 2 कहाँ पर करंटली चल रहा है, तो न्यू डेट अनाउंस हो चुका है फ्रेंड। आप लोग में से बहुत लोग जो है फ्रेंड स्टिल वेटिंग फॉर दियर TCS इंटरव्यू मेल। सो हियर इज अ बिग अपडेट एंड गुड न्यूज़ फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू गाइज एंड वॉच वीडियो टिल द एंड बिकॉज इन दिस वीडियो आई एम गोइंग टू डिस्कस some important queries and also some important updates regarding the TCS currently hiring. Okay, so let's start this video friend. Okay, so friend, here you can see on my screen from this type of mail you will receive. If you not received, then don't worry, just wait for your interview mail. Also here you can see TCS off campus hiring interview process 2nd December 2022 to 4th December 2021. Instruction and arrangement to be made for the interview. There is no arrangement, just like if you have a laptop and good internet connectivity and something like that. Okay, if you are ready to go, okay, for the interview. And let's discuss some important queries in this regard. Okay, so when you can see interview result and date of joining extend, yes friend, they are currently extending their results and date of joining as well, because some of you because some reasons candidates are still waiting for their offer letter and date of joining and the IR exam as well. Okay, so you have to just wait for, because they are now extended the date of. Okay, TCS rejecting after HR, yes friend, TCS also rejecting that after HR round if you're not meeting their eligibility criteria, and also they are rejecting on call as well. Okay, if you are less than 60% in 10th or 12th, and if your diploma is not done after like below 60% 12th and so on. Okay, if you have experience, and in this case also you have to wait for some more days for getting your offer letter after giving your HR round, so you have to wait for some more days. Okay, who all are eligible for receiving interview mailing, who written the exam in the October 2021, sorry, October 2020 and till now. Okay, all are eligible to receiving a TCS interview mail. Okay, it's not mandatory that you have to written the exam in phase 2. It's not like that. Okay, my few of the subscriber got interview mail, they only written October 2020 exam. Okay, and they are now currently receiving their interview mail. So if you return in TCS NQT like previous 2 years, like 2 साल पहले अगर आपने मेंशन लिखा है, तो आप लोग जो फिर एलिजिबल होने वाले हो रिसीव करने के लिए इंटरव्यू मेल। अगर नहीं आ रहा तो फिर सेकेंड डेट भी आने वाला है, सो वेट फॉर दैट. ओके, TCS still sending interview, yes, TCS still sending interview mail. TCS new date of joining in December. First of all, they are already started the date of joining in between the month, in between the like mid of this month, or you can say 15th or 18th or 22nd. Okay, as well. So in this month of December, there will be lots of timing, lots of dates are there who will going to join the TCS and IR exam as well. Okay, so in December there are lots of candidates going to be higher, and the date of joining is like of 15 or 18, 22nd and 26, something like that. Okay, you will going to be receive your date of joining after receiving your offer letter and after submitting accepting your offer letter, and also your ILP eligible and IRP schedule as well. Okay, and explore training also. Is best option mandatory for mandatory? Let's first of all, I would like one thing is keep in mind, friend. See, if you're receiving your interview mail and if you're not receiving an interview mail, okay, this best option may be or may not be updated. Okay, some candidates are there who received interview mail but still their status not got best, and some got a best option and still not received any interview mail. So best option is just indicating your current account is freeze and you can't able to edit your account, and you can't able to edit your resume in TCS next step portal. Nothing, बस इतना ही है. Okay, okay, this is only. And best option is in my opinion this not mandatory, because some of the candidates is still waiting for the interview mail after getting a best option. It since 10 to 15 days. So it's mandatory to receive a TCS interview mail, not like that of best option. Okay, so you have to just wait. Okay, so I think so yeah, here you can see friend on my screen. Okay, 1st December. Okay, Bablubi sir, he's sending for the interview mail. Okay, congratulations for being selected for the TCS on campus hiring. We are glad to inform you that you are one step closer to becoming TCS proud TCS. Okay, so this is a phase 2. Okay, you can say, or when you can see when batch status he got, one of my subscriber got batch option in 12th 11 2021, means 1st of December. Okay, he got the best option. I think I complete all. You can see HR interview mail from the Sukanya ma'am. Okay, you can see 29 December November and the HR round. Okay, because TCS currently taking 2 rounds. First is TR and MR. Okay, and second one is HR. Okay, HR is nothing but also your document verification and some of the basic questions they may ask. Okay, so just prepare for HR round as well. If you are preparing TRNMR, don't take easy for the HR round also. Okay, because HR is also very tough to clear. Okay, because the here can see as a document verification it is important practice to be eligible for the interview. Okay, तो कुछ कुछ HR होते हैं आपसे क्वेश्चन आस्क कर सकते हैं, कुछ HR बस आपसे बेसिक कुछ पूछेंगे, एलिजिबल टू वर्किंग नाइट शिफ्ट, relocation, any backlog is there, what percentage, and show me your documents for screen sharing and send me a document through mail ID. अगर आप लोग को नहीं आता then also TCS will HR HR will call you for the same, please send me your documents as well. So this is the one kind of thing you have to remember. Okay, so I think I discussed all the things. Okay, yes, and if you are still waiting for, just wait for some more days, because TCS is taking a lot time right now because they are hiring in bulk, so they are sending interview in batches, so you have to just wait for some more days. And if you shouldn't have, just comment in comment section before the please watch video till the end. If you watch my video till the end, do like and share with your friend. मिलते हैं, जय हिंद, जय भारत.